breaches come in many different forms, but no matter how they occur, the impact on the organization can be devastating. Recent high-profile cases, like the Panama Papers and Ashley Madison, demonstrate the impact that a breach can have on customer confidence and the reputation of the organization. In addition, class action lawsuits filed in Canada and internationally in recent years highlight the financial and legal risks in this area. In this short clip, we will discuss one common form of cyber intrusion, as well as several strategies to reduce and mitigate risk. This is just the first in a series of videos that McMillan will be producing to help organizations to understand legal issues and to reduce risks. And each of these videos will be accompanied by a longer paper that discusses key cybersecurity issues in Canada.
Cyber attacks come in two broad forms. They either attack your digital systems or they attack your people. One of the most common forms of attack on your people is something called the phishing attack. The phishing attack is when a cyber attacker misrepresents themselves as a legitimate, credible organization. What they'll often do is send your employees an email containing a link which will redirect your employees to a website with malicious code, also known as malware. The malware will infect your digital systems and expose private information to cyber attackers.
I would like to touch on four matters briefly. Firstly, it is very important that you identify your critical assets and develop a strategy to protect them. Developing firewalls alone is no longer sufficient to protect your organization, just like medieval walls are no longer sufficient to protect our cities. This is a dynamic area that will change over time. Secondly, you have to educate your board and your senior management on the threats that your organization faces in this area. A number of your board members are unlikely to be familiar with this area and will need your help. They will need to provide the culture and the support to enable you to extend the protection to your company that you need. And again, this is a dynamic area. Thirdly, you have to prepare for a crisis. It is quite likely that with even all the precautions that you put in place, your organization will be attacked. And during an attack, that's the worst time to be planning a response. Fourthly, you should be aware of insurance that is now available to transfer some of the risks, whether it's first-party insurance to protect your organization for internal costs or third-party risks to cover the costs of claims from outsiders.
If you like what you've heard and want to learn more, please click on the link.